Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Marvel Snap on iPhone. So let's get started. First, locate the Marvel Snap game on your home screen. Tap the Marvel Snap game and hold on to it until a menu appears. In the menu that appears, select the Remove App option. After tapping the Remove App option, another prompt will appear. Choose the Delete App option to confirm that you want to uninstall Marvel Snap. Finally, tap on the Delete option and now the Marvel Snap game will be uninstalled from your device. And this is how you can uninstall Marvel Snap on iPhone. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.